We'll guide you through how to make a team project on Todoist. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by opening the Windows Start menu on your desktop, so you can search for applications installed on your computer. Once the Start menu appears, use the search bar in the taskbar and type Google Chrome to quickly locate the browser application. When Google Chrome appears in the search results, click on it to launch the browser successfully on your computer. After the browser opens completely, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the screen and enter the Todoist website URL to access the platform. Press the Enter key on your keyboard, then select the official Todoist site from the search results and wait for the home page to load correctly in your browser. Before continuing, ensure that you have already logged into your Todoist account so you can access your projects, tasks, and collaboration features without interruption. Once you're signed in successfully, choose the Open Todoist option to continue into the main application interface. After the page finishes loading, the Todoist main menu will appear on your screen with navigation tools and project categories displayed on the left side. To make a team project on Todoist, move your cursor toward the bottom left side of the screen where additional workspace and collaboration options are located. Look for the Add a Team button and click on it to begin creating a new team workspace. After clicking the button, a new floating window will appear in the center of your screen containing setup options for your new team. Inside the floating window, type the name you want to use for your team so it can be identified easily by members later. After entering the team name, click the Continue button to proceed to the next setup step. Todoist will then ask you to select the number of members you plan to include in your team workspace. For this example, choose the 2 to 10 option from the available member ranges. Once the selection has been made, click the Create Your Team button to finalize the setup process. Your new team workspace will then be created successfully inside your Todoist account. You can now begin creating tasks, inviting team members, organizing shared projects, and configuring additional settings according to your collaboration needs.